160 grams of flaky oats, 40 grams of almond shavings, about 2 tablespoons of mixed seeds and dried fruit, a pinch of salt, 75 milliliters of maple syrup, and 40 milliliters of olive oil. Now you can also use coconut oil. I heard it also tastes quite good, but we don't have it, so we're just going to use olive oil. First of all, preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. In the meanwhile, we're going to mix all of the dry ingredients together. So first the oats, then the almond shavings, the seeds and the dried fruits, and the salt. Now mix everything up. There we go. And now we're going to mix the wet ingredients. So I'm going to pour the olive oil with the maple syrup and also mix it. And now pour your wet ingredients into your dry ingredients. And we're going to mix it all up again. Make sure that everything is coated with the oil and the maple syrup. If you're not very fond of maple syrup, you can also use honey. It's also healthier, so that is a plus. Take a baking tray covered with baking paper and we're just going to spread the mixture all over it. There we go! Now put your tray in the oven for 20 minutes. It is very, very important that you stir it up from time to time to make sure it doesn't burn. And there we go, this is the final result. Now we're just going to leave it open like this for a little while to dry and to cool off, and after that you can store it in a sealed container or a sealed mason jar and you can enjoy it every morning. I'm just going to do a little taste test right now.
Crunchy.
It's really good. What I like is that it's not too sweet. But it's
crunchy.
Yeah. So that was it for this week's episode. Thank you guys again for watching, and as always, see you in the next one.